I make around $1,500 in sales every single day with this TikTok dropshipping method. And the best part is it takes less than $100 to start. Now, the only upfront cost you're gonna have for this method is paying for one sample of your product and your Shopify domain. And the domain is typically around $14 to $15. And remember, Shopify has a free trial, so you can make your store for completely free. So today I want to go over my experience with TikTok Organic, basically, my story, the patterns I've noticed and implemented with TikTok Organic, and how you can do TikTok Organic yourself, so you can start doing good in dropshipping. Now, to start off, I started TikTok Organic around February of 2022. I basically started it because I saw a lot of people blowing up with their products, on TikTok. And, I wanted to give it a shot. So the first thing I did was one of my friend's stores, which was in the jewelry niche. He had already blown up an account for that specific product on TikTok before. That's pretty much how he kickstarted his brand. And basically he wasn't getting that many more views on that account anymore. It had about 80,000 followers, and it was getting around 2,000 to 3,000 views per video. And I looked at this and I was like, okay, so this product has blown up before, and I don't see a reason as to why it wouldn't blow up anymore. So instead of just, posting over and over again on this account, let's just post the same style of videos on a new account. And we did that, and that account, the first video, got around 35,000 views. And we posted, over and over and over again on this account, and we were able to grow it to around 10,000 followers in the span of around 2 weeks. So I saw this and I was like, wow, like my whole experience with TikTok Organic before was, me thinking that virality only depended on, how good your content was. And in this case, it wasn't true at all. What we discovered was that it was more if the account optimizes to the correct audience, and then if your account does optimize to the correct audience, that audience will give your videos proper engagement for it to, go on the For You page and get millions of views. So using what I learned so far from testing a little bit with TikTok Organic, I knew that accounts were the more important thing. We came up with a strategy that we used to test product with TikTok Organic. And basically what we would do is create 3 accounts, each named extremely similarly. Let's say we're selling a fidget spinner. We would call the accounts Fidget Spinner 1, Fidget Spinner 2, Fidget Spinner 3. And then we'd find the most popular video for that specific product on TikTok already. So we would use that super popular video as pretty much like a model for our first video, since we knew that popular video had already gotten traction and there's virality in that video. So now all we have to do is just copy it. So what I would do is I would film that same exact video 3 times. So, we'd order the product from Amazon. The videos would have extremely similar visuals, the same text, and the same sound. So it pretty much just looked like 3 clones of that super viral video. But in reality, each clone was a little bit different because, they were different clips. So to sum it up, they all looked 99% similar, but they were in reality different videos, because you don't want to post the same exact video on 3 accounts.
You can't post the same videos on all 3 accounts or TikTok will shadow ban you.
But what we would do is post one video on each account, and we would basically see which account would perform the best and which video would go the most viral. And our threshold for a good account would be if the video got more than 5,000 views. And basically what you're doing in this situation is you're cutting out a lot of variables that could make a difference in this product test. So what I mean by that is, your accounts look extremely similar, your videos look extremely similar, so everything on these accounts is, pretty much exactly the same. And remember, what you're testing is just to see which account optimizes the best, which account optimizes to the correct audience. So we would find the good account out of those 3 accounts. After you have found your viral account, once you've had a video that has gone over 5,000 views, you're gonna post once every day for 3 days. And each of these posts, I think, are very important. This is pretty much like the layout that I follow for these next couple of posts. And basically what I follow is an 8 to 12 second length and basically a hook that gets them to, like want to interact with the video. So one that I'll do is like, you have until September 20th to find this account. And then after that sentence, it'll be like to win a free, whatever of this product. So let's say I'm selling a fidget spinner. It'll be to win a free fidget spinner. And using that video strategy, that video format, I can typically get a ton of likes and a ton of comments and a lot of followers, which is very important. So after these 3 days have passed, now TikTok will most likely know who your audience is. Then you can start posting 1 to 3 times per day. And you want to kind of follow that format of 8 to 12 seconds, and just have like a very grabby, catchy hook. Just stuff that'll make people interact with the video and look on your account and stuff. So the general rule for TikTok organic is that generally for every million views, you'll generate $2,000 to $3,000 in sales. If you keep on testing more accounts, you can get more accounts to go viral for your product. And you can be, if you're really consistent with it, you could be pulling in 500,000 to 1 million views per day. The product criteria that I follow for this method is basically following like the wow factor type of products. So that would be like, for example, like LED lights, or like the sunset lamp, or something that just really catches people's attention, and it's very easy to understand. And the price range for these products honestly is like from $5 to $30 max. I'm going to throw up some of our store's results really quick so you can see that, this method does really work. I want to give a shout out to my own Discord. We have a ton of members in there right now that are learning off of each other. And it's just a great place to, talk to people and just learn about dropshipping if, you're just getting into the space. I'll leave a link in the description down below. Guys, if you've enjoyed this video so far and you've gotten some sort of value out of it, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. Thank you. It helps me a lot, and let's get back to the video. Guys, please don't take this strategy for granted and use it right now, because it works extremely well. And I don't know how much longer it's going to last in the future. I'm guessing probably another 6 to 8 months. And, I just see TikTok getting harder and harder to, go viral on every month. But right now, this strategy works very well. So go ahead and test it. And aside from the strategy, I want to talk to everybody who's failing right now in dropshipping and can't seem to get any sales. I want to tell you to keep on pushing, because you have to if you want to get to the stage where, you're making tons of money with dropshipping. You will get there if you keep on pushing. Trust me. I was in your stage about 1.5 years ago, and I felt like I had no way out, but all I did was I kept on pushing and pushing, and eventually I broke through the door, and I started making a good amount of money with dropshipping. So yeah, just keep on going. To you who's actually paying attention to this video right now, keep on going. You got this. So again, just leave a like and comment if you have any questions, and please subscribe. It helps me a lot, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye-bye.